A Monroe hospital is paving the way in the healthcare industry with groundbreaking detection technology. NBC 10's Haley Hines joined us live in the studio with more details.
That's right, Kyla. St. Francis Medical Center is introducing innovative sepsis detection technology to its emergency room.
St. Francis Health recently announced the addition of IntelliSep, a diagnostic tool that is used to quickly detect sepsis. Sepsis is a condition linked to overwhelming infection in the body that can rapidly lead to organ failure. We spoke with a member of the St. Francis Medical Emergency Room team for more information on how it works.
They kept looking for markers that might show sepsis, and they found, quite ingenious, that the white blood cells actually change shape, and this machine can measure that. The blood flows through these little capillary tubes at blinding speed, and computer-like things read these cells and actually look at the cells, and if the morphology is changed, it rates it and counts them.
The St. Francis Medical Center is currently the only hospital in North Louisiana that offers the new technology, and one of 10 across the U.S. According to Crook, the IntelliSep results are in the 97 to 98 percentile range and take only 30 minutes to receive results. Crook provided details on how IntelliSep can benefit the health of the local community.
It's going to be able to help us pick out sepsis faster, but also help us expedite cases that aren't sepsis. And if somebody is ill but they're not septic, then you have to look for another cause.
Before 2022, there was not a test developed to detect sepsis. Crook stated that this technology is not only life-saving, but can also help with cost, save time, and eliminate performing multiple unneeded tests.
Crook also stated that sepsis is one of the deadliest illnesses that exist in the world, even surpassing heart attacks and strokes. Reporting live in the studio for your Oklahoma News Source, I'm Haley Hines.